Welcome, cosmic enthusiasts, to a celestial showdown like no other. Today, we embark on an interstellar journey to witness a riveting space race between two of the most visionary minds of our time, Jeff Bezos, the founder of Blue Origin, and Elon Musk, the mastermind behind SpaceX. As these titans of technology and exploration set their sights on the cosmos, the stakes have never been higher, and the possibilities never more exhilarating. Using cutting-edge technology, Blue Origin aims to make space travel more accessible and sustainable. Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos in 2000, stands at the forefront of private aerospace exploration with a vision to open up the space frontier for humanity. The company's mission is grounded in the belief that by developing reusable rocket technology, it can significantly reduce the cost of space travel and make it more accessible. One of Blue Origin's flagship projects is the New Shepard suborbital rocket, designed to carry passengers on a brief journey to the edge of space, providing them with a few minutes of weightlessness and a stunning view of Earth. This venture into space tourism represents a pioneering effort to bring private individuals closer to the cosmos. Welcome, cosmic enthusiasts, to a celestial showdown like no other. Today, we embark on an interstellar journey to witness a riveting space race between two of the most visionary minds of our time, Jeff Bezos, the founder of Blue Origin, and Elon Musk, the mastermind behind SpaceX. As these titans of technology and exploration set their sights on the cosmos, the stakes have never been higher, and the possibilities never more exhilarating. The competition between these visionaries has ignited a space race of unprecedented proportions, with each vying to redefine our relationship with the cosmos. Join us as we unravel the cosmic drama, from cutting-edge rocket technology to lunar ambitions and beyond. Who will emerge victorious in this interplanetary duel? What groundbreaking feats will they achieve, and how will their cosmic endeavors shape the future of space exploration? In the vast expanse of space, two titans battle for supremacy. Jeff Bezos, the visionary behind Blue Origin, and Elon Musk, the mastermind of in addition to suborbital flights. Blue Origin is actively engaged in the development of the New Glenn orbital rocket, designed to carry larger payloads into orbit. The New Glenn project reflects the company's commitment to expanding its capabilities for more extensive space missions, including satellite launches and other orbital activities. Furthermore, Blue Origin has positioned itself as a key player in lunar exploration through its involvement in NASA's Artemis program. The development of the Blue Moon lunar lander aims to contribute to humanity's return to the moon, demonstrating the company's dedication to advancing space exploration on multiple fronts. Blue Origin's emphasis on reusable technology, coupled with its ambitious goals, places it at the forefront of shaping the future of space travel and exploration. Simultaneously, SpaceX revolutionizes space exploration with reusable rockets and ambitious missions. SpaceX, founded by entrepreneur Elon Musk in 2002, has emerged as a transformative force in the aerospace industry, pushing the boundaries of space exploration and commercial spaceflight. One of SpaceX's defining achievements is the development of the Falcon 9 rocket, known for its reusability, a groundbreaking feature that significantly lowers the cost of launching payloads into space. This innovation has revolutionized the economics of space travel, making it more accessible and opening new possibilities for satellite deployment, cargo resupply missions to the International Space Station, ISS, and even crewed missions. The company's ambitious goals extend beyond Earth's orbit. SpaceX is actively pursuing the colonization of Mars, with the Starship spacecraft being the centerpiece of this grand vision. Designed for interplanetary travel, Starship aims to carry large numbers of passengers and cargo to destinations beyond Earth, including the Moon and Mars. This bold initiative aligns with Elon Musk's long-term vision of making humanity a multiplanetary species, ensuring the survival and sustainability of human civilization beyond the confines of our home planet. In addition to its crewed missions to the ISS under NASA's Commercial Crew Program, SpaceX has played a pivotal role in advancing satellite technology with its Starlink project. The goal is to create a global satellite internet constellation that can provide high-speed, low-latency internet access to underserved and remote areas around the world. SpaceX's relentless pursuit of innovation and its commitment to reducing the cost of space access have positioned the company as a leader in the space industry, shaping the future of space exploration and technology. Looking ahead, SpaceX's future is poised for an array of ambitious projects that could further redefine the landscape of space exploration and technology. A central focus is on the ongoing development and deployment of the Starship spacecraft, a fully reusable and versatile spacecraft designed for a variety of missions, including crewed interplanetary travel, lunar missions, and eventual missions to Mars. The potential of Starship to revolutionize space transportation is enormous, with its ability to carry both humans and cargo on long-duration space flights, making it a key player in realizing Elon Musk's vision of making life multiplanetary. Another pivotal aspect of SpaceX's future endeavors lies in the continued expansion of the Starlink satellite constellation. As Starlink aims to provide high-speed, low-latency internet access globally, the project holds the potential to bridge the digital divide, offering connectivity to remote and underserved regions. With ongoing launches and advancements in satellite technology, SpaceX is working towards establishing a robust satellite internet network that could have profound implications for global communications, commerce, and education, contributing to a more connected and accessible world. As SpaceX continues to innovate and push the boundaries of space capabilities, its future endeavors are likely to shape the trajectory of space exploration and commercial space activities for years to come. As we wrap up this cosmic journey comparing SpaceX and Blue Origin, it's evident that these two aerospace giants are driving innovation, pushing the boundaries of what humanity can achieve in space. SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, has soared to new heights with its groundbreaking reusable rocket technology, launching satellites, resupplying the ISS, and pioneering ambitious plans for Mars colonization through the Starship spacecraft. On the other hand, Jeff Bezos and Blue Origin are carving their own path, focusing on sustainable space tourism with the New Shepard rocket and contributing to lunar exploration with the Blue Moon lander. In the grand tapestry of space exploration, both companies are integral players, each with its unique vision and approach. The competition between SpaceX and Blue Origin is not just a race, it's a catalyst for innovation, sparking advancements that will shape the future of humanity's relationship with the cosmos. As we look to the stars, let's celebrate the diversity of ideas and endeavors propelling us toward a future where space is not just a frontier, but a realm that beckons exploration and collaboration. Be sure to subscribe for more updates on these cosmic pioneers, and until next time, keep your eyes on the skies. This is Mars Discoveries, signing off.